Hello, friends! Welcome to my channel. As the saying goes, travel with good friends, live with good neighbors. Close neighbors are better than distant relatives. The young children in my neighbor's family have all gone to work. Unfortunately, my mother-in-law is currently coughing, so I'm going to make a pudding and natural cough remedy for her. Let's join me on this adventure of making it.
好了，那盘子在桌子上，我洗好了的。我看一下。
Finally, the pudding and cough remedy are done. Both my mom and mother-in-law loved it. Hopefully her cough will get better soon.
好哩，聪明好哩，喝酒。